So I'm driving from Obo Takara in Akwa Ibom State, and I'm going to Umuahia. So I'm going to get to Ikwano. By the time you cross Obo Takara, we are coming to Abia State. The moment you pass Obo Takara, you get to Ariam. Ariam is like a boundary village in Abia State. We share boundary with our wife from the Ariam side. So stay tuned, watch my videos down to the end. If you can, tell me what you think in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel.
Hello guys, so I boarded a motorcycle from Umuahia and I went to Obo Takara, and this is me coming back from Obo Takara in Akwa Ibom State back to Umuahia in Abia State. Obo Takara in Akwa Ibom State shares common boundary with Ikwano in Abia State. Obo Takara is the first community you get to in Akwa Ibom when you are traveling from Umuahia and you take the Ekotekbene Ikwano road. Obo Takara is in the south-south geopolitical zone of Nigeria and is a local government area of Akwa Ibom State, whose headquarters is located at Nto Edino. Well, I don't know if I pronounce it well. My Akwa Ibom people now go tell me. Why Ikwano local government area is a local government in Abia State, Nigeria, with its headquarters in Ishalu Oboro. It is a strategic food basket for the state, made up of 4 ancient clans, which I previously said in my other video. The clans are Oboro, Ibere, Ariam, Osaka, and Oloko. The area is situated in the Abia Central Senatorial District and shares boundaries with several other local governments, of course, including Akwa Ibom State. Obo Takara is in the Akwa Ibom Northwest Senatorial District in Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. It is one of the 10 local government areas that make up this district. Obo Takara is known primarily for its agricultural richness, being a significant area for crops like yam, oil palm. It is also a local government area in Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria, known for its vibrant communities and contribution to the local economy through farming. So both Obo Takara and Ikwano, they are rich in agriculture. They do a lot of farming here. They have fertile and vast lands for farming. Cassava, palm oil, yam, name it. They are into all of this. So guys, if you watch the video down to the end, you're going to see Ariam, Ikwano, and so guys, kindly watch the video down to the end if you can, and tell me what you think in the comment section.